Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to send money via Xoom. Open the app by tapping on it. Now, select how you want to log in either via PayPal or your Xoom account. And once you're logged in, you will see several options at the bottom part of the screen. Click on Get Started. On this screen, you will see an option for Send Money. Click on Send Money. Next, click on Select a country/region. Then on the list, click the country or region of the receiver. Now, select the currency. After selecting, enter the amount you wish to send. Then click on Next. After that, select a receiving option. In this video, I chose bank deposit. Click on the option you wish to select. Then click on Next. If you also select bank deposit, choose now your contact's bank. After selecting, enter the recipient's account information. Then click on Next. Next, enter the recipient's first name, last name, address and phone number. You could also enter the email, but it's optional. After entering the contact details, click on Next. Now, select the payment method. Then click on Continue. Lastly, review the following details. If everything looks good, follow the prompt slide to send. That's how you send money via Xoom. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.